Hello Autodesk community. Some of you might have noticed that you lost your tool library if you saved it in the cloud. In my case, I can see all the tools I'm using in the currently opened document, but my tool library, which was saved in the cloud, is now gone. Don't be confused, that's a German version of Fusion. This data is not lost, but you have to re-import it. If you go to the highest level of your folder structure, you have a folder that's called your name minus assets. Inside this folder are your CAM data, your posts, your tool library. CAM tools, in my case, holders HSK 63. If you open that, you get into your hub and you have this file. You can download it. I already did that, but you can't import it directly. Maybe this will be patched later. To get this tool library back into your program, you go to your tool library icon, go to your folder, right click, import, click on your downloaded JSON file, open it, and you have your tool library back. To make it clear, this is we have 4th of September 2024, and this is a current problem after the big hub update of Fusion. Good evening and bye bye.